You're welcome to my channel. So we are going to be handling Excel for beginners. So we are going to start from the very first step. So the first step is you right click, then you tap on new. Where you see new, then you go to Microsoft Excel worksheet. That one, you tap on it, then the document will come. Where has it gone? It is right there in the corner. So it has new Microsoft Excel, so you rename it. I'll name it as practice. So practice is our name. Then you tap on enter, then it will save itself. Then after that you double click to open it. There we go. Then you tap up there to maximize the space. There, it's for maximizing. Then it will be on a full screen. Yeah, so let's start with the easy things, simple things. Let's type in like the months in a year. January. So for Excel, you do not have to type January, February, March. So what you're supposed to do after typing January, if you want the rest of the months to come on their own, you go to honor that one, then you tap on it and then scroll down. Then other months will rate themselves. So February, March, April, May, June, July. Then you can still tap on that one on February. Then you scroll down for other months to come. So October, November, December, they're all there.